The other day, while talking to my dad on the phone about the Model A, I asked him for some tips on how best to start it when the weather's cold. And I also asked him how was he able to shift the gears without grinding. My dad said he would tap the accelerator several times before turning on the ignition, and eventually it would start even when it was cold. But my dad didn't really have an explanation as to how not to grind the gears. He said he'd been driving it for so many years, it was second nature to him. Then he asked me, had I looked at the Ford instruction book? I said, what Ford instruction book? He said, well, he gave it to me in one of the boxes. So I said, well, do you know where I might find it? He said, I think it might be in the blue folder. I had looked at these great photos of the Model A here in this binder, but I'd never thought that there'd be a manual. My dad said he thought he put it in the side pocket. Well, carburetors. Oh, look at this, a Model A instruction book. I'd never seen this before. So I browsed through the book, and there's all kinds of information about shifting and servicing and starting. I'm definitely going to give some of these instructions a try today. The garage door motor burned up a few days ago, so I can't raise the garage, at least not automatically. And this morning, Olympic Garage Doors is coming to replace it. But I need to get the Model A out before he gets here. It's below freezing again this morning, like it's been all week. This will be a true test of cold weather starting. First, I need to open up the garage door. There we go.
Maybe push a little bit more with the ladder.
No, I think that's it. All right, got it open. It's St. Patrick's Day today. What a perfect day to drive a Model A that's green. Now I need to open up the fuel valves. One under the hood here. And one in the cab. Here we go. Let's get her started. Yeah, hope I can get her started. All right. When I crank her, I need to pull out the choke. I'm going to advance the throttle here a little bit, and also the spark. Okay, let's try that. All right, there's the gas. Been a while. Here we go. It's a little bit weak in the battery. Try again. How about that? Fantastic. Haven't run this in over a month. Okay, not surprised. All right. Take the spark back a little bit. Let her sit for a second. Set the spark in about in the mid-range. Advance it a little bit. Takes a little finesse. Yep. Try again. There we go. There we go. Ah. Slowly changing the spark. Seems to be working. Throttle. I'm going to let it warm up for a while. Happy St. Patrick's Day. She's running good now. Throttle's up a little high. I'll turn that down. That's about right. We got the spark about mid-setting. Alright. Had to go a little bit advanced and retarding to get it to start up, but she's running now.
Doggy.